So today in this video I'm going to be unlocking the Ausom GoSoul 2 Pro dual motor scooter right behind me here. Only do this if your country allows for it, of course, so please stick by your local regulations. In the meantime, let's get into the video. Now when you turn on the scooter, the first thing to do is you hold down the left brake, for example. So hold down the left brake and then of course hold down the minus key. And then you need to hold this down for around 10 seconds. Then you are going to see SPD, which means speed, appear on the screen. Now, when it appears on the screen, let go of everything. Passcode for this to unlock it is, so just go 1, 1, 1. And then hold down the power key and then that's it. After doing that, the scooter will be actually fully unlocked. So let me just show you for example. So here we go, race mode. This is just single motor, by the way. Let's go. "58 kilometers an hour unlocked." So there we go. And the motors are extremely quiet on this. And of course, if you want to actually revert back to the default speed, the default lock speed, you simply just do this method. You hold down the brake lever and then you press the minus key right here 5 times very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then SPD comes up, let go. And then that's it. The scooter is back to the limited speed. So once again, let's pop it on to race mode. And let me just see, it should be limited once again. And there we go, it's limited to 20 kilometers an hour. If you haven't enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and keep an eye out for the full review.